What's going on? Hope you're doing well. The bull run is approaching faster than ever. Now is the time to ensure that you have your crypto portfolio with projects that will take your portfolio to the next level. This crypto project I'm bringing you today can very much do a 200x, but I want to keep it realistic. So I'm going to say that this will hit 100x. My goal in this video is to peel back the layers of this crypto project and you can have a clear understanding of what internet computer truly is. I will also address some major news for this project that will take this project to 100x without any questions. So let's jump into internet computer, also known as ICP. If you want to change your life and you want to keep learning about the newest crypto projects that are coming out that have value to them and utility, if you want to continue learning how to be successful in crypto and hear all the knowledge that I have to provide for you, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe to the Run My Crypto community, and hit that bell notification if you want to stay up to date with the videos that I have for you. So my passion is to help you guys in cryptocurrency gain as much knowledge and information and success in crypto as I could possibly bring to you. All right, let's jump into this video. ICP 100x, let's get it. So I'm going to come out and keep it real. The charts of internet computer, they suck. There's nothing spectacular about the charts, but essentially this was caused by the FTX collapse, and just like Solana took a big dump, as did ICP, Jasmine, and other coins. But here's the deal. Don't let that get too much in your head, because looking at this project, it's pretty freaking impressive. The project itself has some major apps built into it. So I started looking at some of the apps and playing around with them, and I come to realize that there's some major potential apps that are being built on internet computer. So the system alone is amazing. Internet computer is really pushing to advance their ecosystem. They want them to be the main provider of Web3 services and blockchain technology and applications. So seeing some of their products and platforms and services, they hit some hottest narratives that are going to be in crypto and Web3. So what does the internet computer bring to the table when it comes to winning in crypto? Well, let's look at how internet computer designed their project. So the native coin to internet computer is ICP. This was designed essentially to reward participants in using the internet computer network. It is also the main governance for the project. So also to add to this is their massive ecosystem. Internet computer has a massive ecosystem that has already basically has a very large network of users. So I'm going to cover the most utilized right now, and what I've seen is pretty awesome that ICP wallets are connected to these social media platforms. So we're going to cover the social media platforms that are currently being utilized on internet computers network. All right, so let's look at the first one. Discover. This is one of their social media platforms, which is really cool. To be honest, I jumped on there and it's a decentralized platform, straight up, like no questions asked. I actually hopped on there and I was playing around, and I was pretty impressed with the quality of the platform, the groups that it had. And what I noticed is that some of the groups that were there, you had to have a NFT or a specific coin holding in order to join into some of those groups, which I believe they call it token gated community. So in order to be a part of that community, you needed to hold the NFT or coin that was related to that group, which is pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. That means you have to have skin in the game if you want to learn about that group or be in tune with what's going on with whatever project that group is pushing at the time. So that was pretty cool. I think active users for this one was about 200,000 people. And to be honest, that's pretty huge for a project that's been drifting out to sea, kind of with not too many people knowing about, which is pretty significant, I think, in my opinion, for a decentralized, media platform, social media platform, for it to be running on a Web3 based system. I think it's pretty huge. Another one we're going to take a look at is Hot or Not, which was pretty cool. So it's basically a social media platform When I went in it, I was trying to figure out what it was, and decentralized, 100% decentralized. So what they do is they'll post videos or post stuff. You know, you could see different things that people put on there, and you just hit it's hot or not. So it's just like a pass or pass or no. It's pretty cool. A lot of cool interaction. And then with this one, it's pretty awesome because you could see like market updates and market analysis, and then you could also stake coins, and they give you tokens for participating on this platform, which is pretty cool. I mean, it's a fun interactive type of social media platform. I think this one was kind of low on the user. I think it was more like a 55,000 users for this one, but super cool. I mean, the quality of it's great. The background, the way that they built the whole graphics on it, it looked really cool. The next one I seen was called District. This is another social media platform that's on ICP, or Internet Computer, which is 100% decentralized. And this platform actually allows users to vote and guarantees that no data will ever be mined or sold on this platform. Again, this was a pretty interesting platform. This one had about 110,000 users. So ICP is really doing some major things when it comes to social media platforms, and that's not it. That's not where it stops. That's just what I'm talking about, because there's pretty much, I think right now it was over 173 projects, as I think I mentioned it earlier in the video, including like swaps, exchanges, lending programs, decentralized messaging systems. And I thought it was pretty cool about the decentralizing messaging systems, because there's a couple apps where you could actually be chatting with a mate or a friend or whatnot, and it's like you want to send 5 Bitcoin over to them just because you love them, like, hey, I love you, here's 5 BTC, here's 5 Bitcoin. You know, I don't know you know, who has a 5 Bitcoin to just shoot over for love, but we can if we do the right thing in cryptocurrency. You know, 150 grand here, 5 Bitcoin easily. But anyways, that's what I think is pretty cool, that you could send cryptocurrency through their, you know, the messaging platforms that they have, which is pretty unique. It's pretty neat for ICP. Essentially, like again, I said, for a project that's been sitting out to sea for quite some time. And guys, I'm not shilling this project because I know people call me a shiller or whatever. I'm just trying to make money in cryptocurrency as everybody else is. So I'm talking about this project. This project is going to do major things with or without me. So I figure if I have an opportunity to put it out there, I'm gonna. So I recommend you visit Internet Computer's website and start using the platforms that they're pretty genuinely amazing, guys. I mean, I'm not even half-staffing that or blowing smoke. This project is pretty huge. If you guys go through their website, you'll see how huge this project is, Internet Computer. All right, let's get into another portion of this video. So finally, the major boost that will take ICP, Internet Computer, over that 100x is, I believe, essentially going to be merged with Ethereum. So the details are still very unclear, kind of vague details, but it's very important for you to understand what is going to happen with this, because right now Ethereum has apps built in on ICP right now. So on the chain, there's a couple different projects, and this merging is going to help these be very successful. So the first one that I seen is the Bitfinity EVM, which is processing about 1,000 transactions per second. Bitfinity is the EVM compatibility. By using Bitfinity, you can deploy your Solidity smart contracts to the Internet Computer, taking advantage of many advantages for DeFi capabilities. So it allows decentralized finance to work within the Internet Computer chain. So the other one is Omnic. I think it's called Omnic or Omnic, I believe. So that one is a cross-chain processing messaging protocol built on Internet Computer. So the Omnic token bridge brings liquidity on the EVM networks to Internet Computer. That's where they're picking up that the EVM networks to help bring more money into Internet Computer. So this is kind of like similar to Jasmy Chain. It's being built to bring that EVM network to Jasmy. I don't know why I threw that in there. If you guys are Jasmy likers or not, I don't know. I just threw it in there so you guys can have an understanding that this project's doing the same thing. All right, so an Ethereum virtual machine, an EVM demo is built and hosted on the Internet Computer blockchain. The Ethereum protocol itself exits solely for the purpose of keeping continuous, uninterrupted, and immutable operation of special state machine. It's the environment which all Ethereum accounts and smart contracts live. That's where they stay at. At any given block in the chain, Ethereum has one and only, it's basically what this is, a canister. That's what it is going to be, a canister. And the EVM is basically defines the rules of computing a new valid state from block to block. So what is it saying is that these canisters, how Internet Computer has canisters, and that's how all transactions and information and downloading are stored into those canisters to basically have a snapshot of what's going on in the system. Ethereum is going to have a canister within the ICP network as well. All right, and then Uniswap, okay, Uniswap front end on ICP. So Uniswap front end is hosted on the Internet Computer canister based wallets integration that thanks to Internet Computer, traditional DeFi solutions can now be completely decentralized, having their front end hosted on ICP. There's no longer need to include centralized cloud providers, which are currently being used. ICP helps Ethereum eliminate those cloud providers and gives it a whole decentralized application. So Uniswap will turn from using those V212Vs internet cloud information centers, and they're going to eliminate that, and it's going to become decentralized by using Internet Computer. So it's a win-win for Internet Computer and for Ethereum to merge and make sure that these work correctly. So I believe that's going to be super huge, driving Internet Computer to be a top performer. So betting on Internet Computer for this up and coming bull run is ideally a great option to be able to make some potential huge gains. Like I said, guys, I'm looking at 200x with this project. However, I feel more comfortable communicating to you guys that this will be an easy 100x because it's so massive. And to be so massive and not move, especially with all the utility and development that's being built, that's needless to say that there's no way the Internet Computer is not going to do this huge move, massive gains. And then with them being able to link up with Ethereum is going to be awesome. It's going to be off the chain. So hope you guys liked this video. Hope you guys got something out of it. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you guys want to stay up to all the videos. Hit that bell notification. I'm always trying to give you guys nothing but the best information to help you understand cryptocurrency, understand the projects you guys are getting invested into. And I hope you guys make the best investment decisions. Remember, this is never financial advice, just information to help you understand how to do the crypto market in 2024. All right, guys, take care. Stay blessed as always. Much love to you. See you on the next one.